Hey everybody, I'm Jason.
I'm Alex.
We are going to talk camp cooking today. Let's get started. The best products and best service from people who care and love what they do. OK4WD Drive, outfitting vehicles since 1979.
So the first cooking option we have for you today is Madkon's Braai. This is the ammo box. You have two other sizes, a larger and a smaller. What's nice about this guy is it packs down into this nice ripstop bag. It fits perfectly inside an ammo box. So the Madkon Braai also doubles great as a fire pit if you can't have a fire pit on the ground, which is also a nice touch when you're done cooking. You just kind of keep the coals going and set it up as a bonfire. What we got here is the windscreen. This just slides right into the back here, just like that. Let me show you how it comes apart. And then you grab your ripstop bag, everything fits in here and into the ammo box.
All right, this is the Cook Partner single burner stove from Partner Steel Company, right? You guys are probably familiar with this. If not, these are fantastic, right? So this is a single burner and it packs down super small, right? That's how we kind of open it up. This is what it looks like, right? It does come with a grill grate in here that is also removable so that you can clean it. It has the hose connection here for regulating your pressure from your propane tank. It has connectors to hold your windscreens open, however far you may need to set them out. But this makes for a great piece in a small space, right? If you want the ability to set up a stove pretty quick, get some really high output BTU, but not maybe deal with, building a fire in the Braai. This is a pretty quick, easy to deploy solution for boiling water, cooking a whole breakfast or whatever you need to do. Here we have a much larger stove. This is a 2-burner. I wanted to talk a little bit about what the material here is, right? So this is an aluminum construction. It's all welded aluminum. The grate is stainless, so you're not going to get any oxidation there. But being aluminum, it's subject to scratches and small imperfections, right? So the stove will just grow with you and tell its own story. These are probably the most durable stoves out on the market. They were widely adopted by the rafting communities and things like that because they're not subject to rusting. They're lighter weight for the size that they are and their extreme, heat output. So when you get one of these brand new, you can certainly expect to see some finer scratches and stuff that in the surface because aluminum is very soft.
Yeah, if you like showing off your truck being all muddy, why not show off your stove with a couple scratches?
Yeah, you've actually used it before, right?
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about the stove. Yeah,
so similar to the single burner you were showing us earlier, this is the dual burner stove. So with this one, you can have water boiling on one burner and food cooking on the other. What's also nice about Partner Steel is you can even decide what side you want your inlet of gas, if you want left or right, which is kind of important based on how your kitchen's set up. Besides that, you're gonna find all the same features that you would find in a single, a double. They make these in breakable versions where you could have a 2-burner or 4-burner and you can actually break them into 2 separate ones. So if you're cooking breakfast or someone's cooking sausage, you're cooking chicken, whatever, you can kind of separate your 2 kitchens and cook apart from each other.
That's very nice. Yeah, so there's lots of options with the Partner Steel line. Fantastic stoves. My pick is still the Braai. I use the Braai all the time. It's easy for me, it's fun, it's warm.
So those are the 3 options we have for you today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications.
See you next time.